We showed you guys the setting of plants that we did a couple months ago at this job site, and now we're back to show you the after. Everything's kind of filled in, it's looking beautiful, and I wanted to show you what the basic intent behind everything was. We have these mass plantings of grasses and irises, and everything is really monochromatic. We've got lots of texture, but we're keeping it to green and white. So let me show you around. As you can see, it doesn't take a bunch of different colors to make a beautiful landscape. We just use one color or two colors, maybe if you add white into there. And of course, I can do the same for you. So give me a call if you need a beautiful landscape.